Jocelyn Lapid Clarino.
Hello, greetings to our guests from Pacific Licensing Studio, friends from the media, and our beloved mall shoppers. We are excited to launch this historic and global milestone of everyone's favorite Cape Crusader, Batman's 85th anniversary. Created by Bob Kane and with Bill Finger, Batman was introduced in 1939's comic book Detective Comics number 27. And since then, the Dark Knight has stood as a symbol of determination, courage, and justice to generations of fans for over 85 years. Batman is notable not for having any superpowers, but for his intelligence, skill, and technical savvy. Born out of tragedy, Bruce Wayne's relentless pursuit of justice and willpower to protect others made him an instant icon. Today, Batman is recognized across the globe, thanks to his portrayal in universally beloved comics, TV shows, and animation and movies. Fans across all ages will be able to set foot in the iconic Batcave and immerse themselves in the Batman's legacy through creative zones. Collectors will also be able to get a hold of exclusive merchandise available throughout the celebration. We hope Batman's Filipino fans will be thrilled with a supersized fan experience in SM Supermalls. Moreover, this caravan is set to start here at SM North EDSA today until May 29. Fans can expect this activation in the following SM malls near their cities: SM City Fairview on June 7 to 20, SM City Marikina July 1 to 17, SM East Ortigas July 18 to August 18, SM City Masinag August 25 to September 8, and SM City Santa Rosa September 16 to September 13. Thank you very much and have an awesome day everyone.